No more bread. An easy and fast breakfast. To start our recipe, I will peel 3 large bananas. This recipe is very healthy and easy to make. Love to eat it as soon as I wake up, right at breakfast. I will reserve a banana to use later. In sequence, I will cut these 2 bananas in medium slices, this way here. Now, I will get the other banana that we had reserved, and with the help of a fork, I will knead the banana well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Mary Humbrook from Hoorn in the Netherlands. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, I will pass our mashed banana to a container, and then I will add 2 whole eggs in our recipe, and I will stir until the eggs mix well with the mashed banana. Finally, I will add 3 tablespoons of oats and stir again until all the ingredients are mixed completely. I have no doubt that this recipe will be part of your routine too. In a frying pan, I will add a little olive oil, and with the help of a culinary brush, I will spread all the olive oil well in our frying pan. Now, I will add our slices of banana one by one in the frying pan. Over the bananas, I will add our mixture, and with the help of a spoon, I will arrange our recipe, covering the entire surface of the skillet. I'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Passing the time, with the help of a spatula, I will drop our recipe, and with the help of a dish, I will turn the recipe in the frying pan. I'm sure everyone in your family will love this recipe. Do it at your house, and then tell me what you think. I'll fix you some. Next, I will cover again and leave for another 5 minutes. Our recipe is ready. Look how delicious our banana pancake was. See how incredibly easy it is to make. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this recipe. Only by the ingredients you know that in addition to a delight, it is very healthy. Guys, this recipe is just perfect and suits any meal of your day. It has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I made it. Everyone here at home always asks me to do. I'm sure you will also always make this delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye!